Excuse me. The digital twin is leading us into data management. We are going to talk about sensor technology, because the data that is being managed comes from a bunch of sensors, which, if they aren't doing their job, the functionality will not be served. That's what we are coming from today's discussion. We are limited on time, so let me move rapidly. Measurements, smart measurement of water systems. That's what we want to touch upon. We want accuracy, because water is a precious commodity. Our country, we have very vast municipal water networks, and also, as we saw earlier, rural water supply systems as well coming into place. So to measure and manage water becomes very important, with losses to the tune of 40–50% and more. Smart measurement means accurate, very robust, and also cost effective, because if we get it wrong, it might take a decade and a half for us to recover from a mistake, of selecting the right type of meter. So there are infrastructure considerations. When you talk about sensor, we are very much down in the trenches with the pipeline, with the meters, So infrastructure considerations matter. Sensors can be buried, so we'll talk about buried sensors and how they continue to perform unnoticed, and how in our country we need to work with old pipes. Oftentimes we don't have new infrastructure. New infrastructure, when we are building, then to do metering is easy, but to retrofit meter into old infrastructure is a major challenge, and we need to be managing partially filled pipe condition. When you measure, there are water departments in our country who have put meters which are meant for full pipe flow, and then later they discover that the pipe is only flowing half full, and the meter is facing very high errors. So you need appropriate sensor technology for the application.